Have you ever wondered how to talk about your past experiences in a way that connects them to the now? Or how to mention an action that just happened like 2 seconds ago? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most useful and sometimes tricky tenses in English, the present perfect. By the end of this video, you'll have mastered it. I promise. So, what exactly is the present perfect? Think of it as a bridge connecting the past to the present. We use it for a few key situations. We form it using have or has plus the past participle of the verb. For example, I have seen that movie, or she has finished her work. Simple enough, right? Let's break down when to use it with some real-life examples. First up, talking about life experiences. This is when you're not mentioning a specific time. The exact moment isn't important. The experience itself is what matters. Imagine you're chatting with a friend. You might ask, "Have you ever been to Japan?" Your friend could reply, "No, I haven't been to Japan, but I have traveled to South Korea." See? We're talking about experiences in their lifetime up until now. Let's practice. I'll ask a question, and you can answer out loud. Ready? Have you ever tried scuba diving? Maybe you'd say, "Yes, I have tried it once," or "No, I've never tried it." The key here is the experience. Here's another example. She has read all the Harry Potter books. We don't know when she read them. Last year? 5 years ago? It doesn't matter. What matters is that now, in the present, she has the experience and knowledge of having read those books. It's part of her life story. So, if you want to ask someone about their general life experiences, the present perfect is your best friend. Now let's move on to our second main use, recent past actions with a present result. This sounds a bit academic, but it's super common. It's for things that just happened and are affecting the current situation. Imagine you're looking for your keys. You can't find them. You might exclaim, "Oh no, I've lost my keys." You lost them in the past. Maybe 5 minutes ago, maybe an hour ago, but the result is happening. Now, you can't get into your house. The past action has a direct consequence in the present. Here's another one. You walk into the kitchen and see a broken plate on the floor. You might ask your roommate, "What has happened?" Your roommate might reply, "I'm so sorry, I have just dropped a plate." The action of dropping the plate just finished, and the result, the broken plate, is right there in front of you. The word just is a great clue here. We often use it with the present perfect to emphasize that something happened very recently. For example, "I've just finished my homework, so now I can relax," or "They have just arrived." Our third major use is for actions that started in the past and are still continuing. This is where we often use the words for and since. For is used with a period of time, like for 2 years or for 10 minutes. Since is used with a specific point in time, like since 2020 or since last Monday. Let's look at an example. I have lived in London for 5 years. This means I started living in London 5 years ago, and I still live there now. The action of living in London continues into the present. If I said, "I lived in London for 5 years," using the simple past, it would mean I don't live there anymore. See the difference? The present perfect keeps the action connected to the present. Now, let's try it with since. She has worked here since 2018. This means she started her job in 2018, and she is still working at the same place today. The action hasn't finished. You could ask a friend, "How long have you known your best friend?" They might answer, "We have known each other since we were in elementary school," or "We've known each other for over 20 years. Both show that the friendship started in the past and is still going strong in the present. This is a really important distinction from the simple past. So let's do a quick recap and comparison. Simple past versus present perfect. This is where a lot of learners get confused. Use the simple past when you're talking about a finished action at a specific finished time. Keywords are yesterday, last week, in 1999, 5 minutes ago. For example, I visited my grandparents yesterday. The time, yesterday, is finished. The action is finished. It's a complete story in the past. Now compare that to the present perfect. I have visited my grandparents this week. This week is a time period that is not finished yet. Maybe it's Wednesday and the week continues. The action happened within this unfinished time frame. That's a key difference. I ate breakfast this morning. If it's still morning, you can use present perfect. I have eaten breakfast this morning. But if it's now afternoon, the morning is finished, so you'd say, I ate breakfast this morning. It all depends on whether the time frame is finished or not. Let's put it all together in a short conversation. Imagine two friends, Alex and Ben, catching up. Alex: Ben, I haven't seen you for ages. How have you been? Ben: I've been great, Alex. I've just gotten back from a trip to Italy. Alex: Wow, Italy. I've always wanted to go. Have you ever been there before? Ben: No, this was my first time. I have eaten so much amazing pasta. I think I've gained 5 pounds. Alex: Ha ha, sounds worth it. What about you? Have you done anything exciting recently? Ben: Well, I've started a new job. I've worked there for 2 months now, and I really love it. Did you catch all the present perfect examples? I haven't seen you. How have you been? I've just gotten back. I've always wanted to go. Have you ever been? I have eaten. I've gained. Have you done? And I've worked there for 2 months. They are talking about recent events, life experiences, and situations that continue into the present. This is how native speakers naturally use this tense in everyday conversation. Let's do one final practice round. I'll give you a situation, and you try to make a present perfect sentence. Situation 1. You finished your dinner a moment ago. What would you say? You could say, I have just finished my dinner. Situation 2. You started learning guitar last year and you still play it. How would you describe that? You could say, I have played the guitar for a year, or I have played the guitar since last year. Situation 3. Your friend asks if you know the movie Inception. You saw it a long time ago. What do you say? Yes, I have seen that movie. The experience is what matters, not when you saw it. Mastering the present perfect is all about understanding its connection to the now. Whether it's an experience you carry with you, a recent event with a current result, or an action that's not over yet, this tense helps you express that connection beautifully. Keep practicing, listen for it in movies and conversations, and don't be afraid to try using it yourself. You've already learned so much in this video. Thank you so much for joining me today to level up your English. I hope you found this lesson helpful. If you have, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And for more English lessons like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.